Hey guys, this is Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, where business and your life to the next level. If making money online is your desire on my channel, I come out with programs and products that will help you do exactly that. And today I have another insane review of a software product that is going live tomorrow, the 30th of March 2022 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York time. And this product is called Pinnacle. Pinnacle is being launched by the affiliate Great One Mbadiwe, and of course, in a nutshell, it's a software product that will automate the act of making up to $760 on autopilot within 24 hours. That means every 24 hours, with this automation system, you'll be able to make that kind of amount of money on daily basis using Pinnacle software once it is set up with you. And if this is a product you would like to have, I will encourage you to use the first link below on my description area. That link will definitely give you access to my amazing bonus page, which is exactly this. And when you get here, you will use this link or any of the other links, pink in color, scattered all over this page, to actually get a copy of this by taking you to the sales page of Pinnacle, where you use any of the buttons. They are pink also in color, to actually get access to my Warrior Plus account, where you definitely purchase this product. I mean, any of these links. When you do, you will have access to this product on my Warrior Plus account. And after purchase, under your purchase history, you will find a page that will give you two buttons. One will give you green in color, access to the amazing product Pinnacle, and the other one below it, blue in color, will give you access to my amazing and crazy bonuses, which I'm going to show you if you stick with me. A while ago, we were just on the sales page of this very product, and of course here is the training, VIP training area for this dashboard, which is where you'll get trained on how you can set this up in order to begin to make money roll into your account on autopilot. It's a crazy hack, a crazy software from the great affiliate Mbadiwe yet again, and I am very delighted to put out this one for you. Now, before I go further, let me take a look at what Mbadiwe says this product is going to be as long as you purchase it. It is a new Middleman app that lets you and your audience generate as much as $795 every 24 hours on autopilot. And it says that they have discovered a loophole worth about $39.9 billion, and they have figured out how to actually use their baskets. And in this case, you will be able to use your own basket to actually get a cut out of this cake. Okay, with that said, I will go ahead to show you also the pricing for this one, so that you see what you stand as long as this one is concerned. The front end for this product goes for $17, and it will give you access to this very Pinnacle members area, the software itself, where you get trained on how this is set up. And once you do that, you have access to making money using this Pinnacle product. And of course, upsell number one for this one goes for $67, and it's the unlimited version of the limited version of this front end. So it's advisable to get this as well. For $67, you have everything you need. This experience Pinnacle without limits, and create unlimited campaigns and unlock unlimited capabilities on everything inside your account. And here you have the upsell number 2, Pinnacle automation. It goes for $47, and which means everything is automated for you. All you need to do is to hit a button or two, and you'll be able to autopilot making money with this very Pinnacle software. Now, upsell number 3 will be overnight traffic. It goes for $97, which is very important, because without traffic, there is no making money online. You have traffic, and this traffic click to convert, and you make money. So upsell number 4 will be done for you. It goes for $197, and upsell number 5 is 1 hour profits. It goes for $47, and upsell number 6, Pinnacle reseller, goes for $47 as well, and which means this will allow you to sell Pinnacle as if it's your product and keep commission across the entire funnel. And it has 60-day money-back guarantee. That's what the creator told me. And within 60 days, 2 months, if you don't have any reason you want to return this, you'll be able to have access to your funds full. And of course, that is guaranteed. as long as this one is concerned. So it's to me something that is worth trying. Okay, and just like I always know, some of these products work, some of them always need a little bit of work to actually work for you, and this is the only thing that is required, to put in the small amount of work that is needed to actually set this up and have it working for you on autopilot. So I mean, that is basically what some of these products do, and I believe this is not a different one from most of these products that I have reviewed in the past, and I guess this will be one that may be a changing engine you need to start generating resources online. And with that said, let us see if we can access my amazing bonuses. My internet connection is acting very funny, and that is normally what I go through, but like I promised myself and anybody who is interested in patronizing some of these products using my link, to actually have what I call patience, because sometimes it goes that way. Okay, now with that said, let us see if we can take a look at the amazing sales page, which you can have access to at your convenience. The first step is to grab this very copy using the link on my description area. The second step is to log in, choose your pre-built business in a box, and of course third, you click on go and generate perpetual stream of income. And this very sales page you will have access to using any of the links on my bonus page, and of course that will give you access to this very information which you will need to make up your mind if this is going to be for you. But from the sound of it, I mean, it's worth trying, and this is why I recommend it. If you really need to make money online and you don't know how to do so, this may be a very good one for you to at least start somewhere and begin to acquire digital skills that are necessary for this one to be set up, and it actually gets over the shoulder training as long as this very one goes. Okay, with that said, I will definitely continue to see if we can get across to the very bonuses that the vendor promised that is going to be yours if you purchase this product. And if that is the case, we will find a way to take a look at them, and then we will continue with the rest of the review that I have for you on this very Pinnacle product. Okay, with that said, let us see if we can locate those very bonuses. Bonus number one from the vendor will be bundle niche blocks. That's bonus number one. Number two should be 30-day to 9K. That is a program that will teach you how to get to from $0 to $9,000 for a month. And bonus number three will be 500 per day case study. Bonus number four will be 60K in 60 days case study. And bonus number five will be friendly, top class 24/7 support. And that's about what you have step by step, $100 per day training. This is the special bonus for this product, and these are all going to be yours if eventually you take a look at this. And now let us take a look at how this product works. This is where you get the VIP training. When you click this link, you will be able to get the training that you need to actually set up this very on your system and be able to use the links that you have to build your own business in a box. This is the business build button, and here you have the advertise, upgrade, and support. And it's basic training in a way that it is going to teach you how this is set up and how you can start today to generate resources, because it says in 24 hours you'll be making $795, nearly $800. That sounds very good, but it's left for you now to see if this is going to be for you. But I can always assure you that there is a way to make this work. Let us go to my amazing bonuses, which I believe you will have access to. Yes, of course, here are my amazing bonuses for you as long as you decide to buy this one from me using my link. The first bonus will be how to get traffic to any link of your choice, which is a crazy hack that will definitely help you work and use the automation system on Pinnacle to make money. My bonus number two will be how to create free professional website, which is another crazy hack that will teach you how to become a Fiverr agent where you make money rendering services of creating professional websites for people. And you can imagine that it goes as much as $400, $500, $800 depending on what you want to charge for a single website you create using this very tutorial. Now, my bonus number 3 will be how to convert your traffic fast. Traffic is the lifeline of any business, offline or online, and without knowing how to convert your traffic, there is no way you can make money. My bonus number 4 will be affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners, which is why I am in the affiliate space of the niche called Make Money Online, and you can become like I am and like most other affiliates are if you decide to take this very number 4 bonuses from me, and of course it will teach you how to do so from scratch. My bonus number 5 will be all the vendor bonuses that I have shown you on the sales page. This will become yours using the link number 5 of my amazing bonuses, and when you eventually use here, you will get access to this very sales page where you use this link to get access to my Warrior Plus account. When you do, under your purchase history, when you purchase this product, you find a page that looks exactly like this with this button green giving you access to Pinnacle, and here you have this blue one that will give you access to the amazing bonuses that I have for you. And with that, we will come to the very end of this very review. If you are new to my channel, I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and use the bell button to get notifications as to whenever I upload any content on my channel, so that I will be one of the very few first people to receive it. And with that said, I'll come back to you in my next review. Till then, this is your Mike of the Mbadiwe.com coming to you as always from here, and from me, from here, is goodbye.